IB questions, day 64. So what is the maximum coefficient of static friction between the block and the plane? Well, first let's look at the two components of weight. So we have W sine of theta that is tangential to the plane, and W cosine of theta that is perpendicular to the plane, and that is balancing out with the normal. So we have this equation in our data booklet, and using these components, we can plug in F max as W sine of theta and R as W cosine of theta, because W cosine of theta is equal to R, but since they're balanced, because this is at the point just before sliding. So now if we divide each side by W cosine of theta, we're going to get, well, the W's are going to cancel. So it's sine of theta over cosine of theta. And hopefully you recall that that is equal to tangent of theta. So tangent of theta is going to be the answer. That's answer choice C.